Owning the best tea kettle that money can buy is what is going to separate you from the herd when it comes to either making tea for one or for a large party you may be hosting. Knowing which type to buy to cook the tea in and which is for serving will help save you a lot of headaches in the long run. There are some tea kettles that are able to do all the work for you, while there are some more traditional types that will allow you to be a little bit more hands-on and manage for tea while you cook it. Most importantly, best tea kettle, we will cover a few of the different models that are available for purchase currently, and which may right choice for you. Number 10. Fenoli 2.5 liter whistling tea kettle. Made with premium heat-resistant stainless steel, its long-lasting whistling kettle can withstand long-term and everyday use. Whistling tea kettle can heat up, fast boiling with large capacity 2.5 liter of water or liquid for your tea. Heat-proof handle, the formed curves of the handle also guarantee safety while pouring. Number 9. TOPTIER Japanese Cast Iron Tea Kettle. Tea kettle full load capacity, 30 ounces, 900 milliliters. Recommended boiling capacity, 24 ounces, 700 milliliters. The stovetop cast iron tea kettle allows gradual and even heating. It will help infuse the greatest amount of flavor from the tea leaves into the water. Serve for 2 to 3 people, 3 to 4 cups when the teapot is full loaded. Diamond pattern teapot, suggested not loading more than 24 ounces 700 milliliters of water for boiling. Number 8. Hamilton Beach 1.7L Cordless Electric Tea Kettle. This electric kettle boils water faster than a microwave and safer than using a stovetop kettle. perfect for college dorms, offices or kitchens of any size. This hot water kettle is cord-free, for easy serving, plus heating is convenient, and safe with concealed heating element, compatible with any standard 120 volts outlet. Auto shut-off keeps the electric kettle from boiling dry. Number 7. Mr. Coffee Claredale Aluminum Whistling Tea Kettle. Prepare your favorite hot beverage with Mr. Coffee Claredale 2 quarts. Tea Kettle. Its attractive vibrant red finish and contemporary shape look great on any stovetop. Solid stainless steel constructed tea kettle. Whistling tea kettle alerts when water is boiling. Number 6. Breville Ikon Cordless 1.7-L Stainless Steel. Cushion-controlled lid, water level indicator, removable scale filter. 1500-watt cordless kettle, rapidly boils up to 1 to 2/3 of a liter of water. Easy on-off switch, ready bell, auto shut-off, boil dry protection. Kettle base, 360-degree multi-directional base, with cord storage wrap. Number 5. OXO BREW Classic Tea Kettle. Make tea in style with the OXO Classic Kettle, a traditional-shaped whistling tea kettle. The kettle features silicone touch points on the spout cap and handle to help resist heat. Silicone handle and spout cap help to resist heat. Large lid opening for convenient filling and cleaning. Number 4. Bodum Bistro Electric Tea Kettle. Bistro water kettles are an effective and efficient way to boil the exact amount of water needed in minutes, perfect for coffee, tea and instant soups. Unexposed heating element is tucked away at the bottom and allows you to safely place your water kettle on any surface. Number 3. T-fal C76220 Specialty Stainless Steel. T-fal makes enjoying a cup of tea an easier and even more delightful experience with the 3-quart polished stainless steel kettle. Heavy gauge polished stainless steel body. Large 3-liter water capacity. Easy to hold heat-resistant Bakelite handle. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Electric Tea Kettle. This electric kettle boils water faster than a microwave and safer than using a stovetop kettle, perfect for college dorms, offices or kitchens of any size. This hot water kettle is cord-free for easy serving, compatible with any standard 120 volts outlet. Auto shut-off keeps the electric kettle from boiling dry. Number 1. CAFÉ BREW Collection Glass Tea Kettle. Made of heat-resistant shot Duran borosilicate glass, from Germany, 12-cup capacity. BPA-free and dishwasher top rack safe. See specification sheet attached below for current product use instructions, safeguards and care.